Boy, putting them racing covers on.
Exactly, like what the... Bro, I gotta go around these Harleys, bro.
But chill, nigga, you late. Try and use me as the bait. You skip steps, I nearly nailed it in the first take. I gotta do this for the sake of my mama in that dream house, sitting up right beside the lake. I can't never...
Great ride, though. It's the hottest it's been yet today. I think it's 85 right now. Crazy hot. Just pulling up to my cousin's house for a second before work. I'm not even gonna lie, it feels so good out here with this wind breeze right now, this chill. My gosh, I can literally just ride all day right now. Through this wind in the helmet, I can't even hear my bike at all. Barely. See what my guy got going on. He was supposed to be going to the track, but he had too much to do in a little bit amount of time, so he had to just keep it at home today. Try it next time. But we got much more track days coming up real soon. Thank you very much, car. Did you chop this off again? Oh, it's been like this?
But it broke worse. Look on this side.
I mean, it's cracked, but it's not bent, like angled.
When I told you my bracket broke.
Clean clip-ons.
Huh?
Oh yeah, but you can still use one side though.
No, one side, but I mean the tank still.
But still, it helps.
Yeah.
First, I mean, it's gonna help.
That's what I'm saying. Like it puts a lot of weight on that one bolt without this, you know.
Right. This is mine.
Yeah. But it starts up fine.
Oh, you started it up.
Yeah.
So it was the fuel tank.
The fuel pump, yeah.
So this isn't working right here.
Nope, that's good. Cause I put the now that I got the key delete on like that, I just never took it off. I got to drill that out.
So wait, why did you think this wasn't working? You said you had to plug mine in.
I wasn't sure. I haven't used it since it crashed. I just wanted to make sure in case I needed yours.
Oh, doesn't look bad though.
Huh? No, it's not too bad. Like I said, like
Just fairings all the time.
Like, I think that's a 2007 kit though.
No, it's not.
It's not?
Cause I know, cause I have the 2007 kit.
Okay, then I gotta cut it a little bit. It won't fit.
This?
We can see like that little under part right there. That little rectangular tab sticking up.
Where? Where?
On the bottom.
Over here?
Yeah, like right here. Like,
This?
no, straight up. That like big piece right
Wait, I don't know what you're talking about. What is that?
there. That hits this won't pass. So I gotta cut that off a little bit. It like.
Yeah, because you're not even really supposed to have this on when you have those fairings, I don't think, right?
Yeah, but I've never seen ones like that. Because those only have a cutout for one light.
What?
I've never seen that.
What is that? Oh, so wait, this is my tank?
No, it's mine.
Oh.
I had to put it on just to make sure it would start up.
Boy, putting them racing covers on. Like I said, I really need those.
God, man.
Let me see them.
Metal too.
Oh, that's. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I need that.
I need these.
Cause even if you do,
why they require it, you know?
yeah, low key, even if you did, like go down it, you can still keep using it. Like,
How was it when you went up to Azusa? I saw that was empty on your video.
oh no, it was dumb empty. It was like, I mean, it was like a couple people, you know. I was
Cause you went like
following.
during the week, right?
Right.
Yeah.
I'm glad it kind of came with a cool exhaust though, black at least. I don't even need to change it.
Doesn't look too bad.
Right.
Maybe just take off the guard.
I might just leave it. Just in case. If it falls or something, it might catch that first. It sticks out a little bit more, so hit right there. All right, bro. Just left the cousin's house. Good luck with that. It doesn't have too much to finish. It's looking pretty good though, but I got like, what, 20 miles to go? I decided to hit the little canyon way. Okay. Let's see what he got in the canyons. I'm gonna stick with him for a second. I know he ain't gonna want to do nothing. Hey, I'm juiced. I get to do this right now before work. Okay. I literally just forgot I don't have a suit on. Stay with you. We just cruising. Okay. He's trying to bring it out on the Harley. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Let me see if I can stand up, get a good view. Hey. Hey. Go by him, please. All right, let me get with you. Go pass him, pass him. Looking down at the clutch, the clutch foot or the brake foot. Went a little wide there. Bro, it's way too hot right here and I got the wrong clothes on. It was kind of windy when I came up here and it wasn't cold, but I just didn't want to be cold on the way back. But I did not need to put on all this long sleeve stuff on yet. It's too hot. Whatever, I'm only 8 miles away, so. But this light is taking incredibly long. I'm actually gonna make sure I'm going to the right address. Cause now I feel questionable. Let me make sure. Let's go, buddy. Let's go, buddy. You hold me up. You hold me up. 330, 330. My guy is questionable. Let me go by. I gotta watch him, bro. I feel like I'm gonna get brake checked. I look down for exactly like what the. Bro, I gotta go around these Harleys, bro. This is tragic. This is majorly tragic. This is majorly tragic, bro. Holding me all up. Let's go in the left lane. I don't want to go in them. I don't like going in those lanes over there though, because I've done it twice. Probably more than that, and I feel like every single time I do that I literally get a flat right after. They got so much just nasty stuff. Look at him not looking. Bentley Rolls Royce. It's dope. I'm hitting another little canyon. Sunset. I think she's gonna try to say hi or something. Hi. What's up? What's up? He looking at he mad at how I passed. I don't go. He's going way too slow, boy. He probably just thought he caught me looking at him and he tried to say what's up. Boy, that was fun. Everybody, thanks for watching. I think my fun is done for right now, man. I gotta go to work. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Getting into the city, so we're gonna kind of keep it cool. But yeah, man, thank you for watching, everybody, and I will see you again next video, y'all. Peace.